How to remove the tail light assembly and replace the tail light bulbs in the Chrysler 300. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. So pop the trunk, and after you pop the trunk and come around, you'll see there's one plastic fastener right here that's visible. Just go ahead and unscrew that fastener. After that, you can pull some of the lining back and you'll see two more fasteners, one up here and one right here. So just unscrew those two fasteners. Take off the second fastener. And the third fastener. Now you can see the electrical connector here, but we're not going to disconnect it from inside the trunk. I'm actually going to pull out the tail light assembly, then I'm going to disconnect it. So just come around, pull out the tail light. Now you have better access to the connector, but you need to remove the red pin first before you can disconnect it. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm just going to use a flat screwdriver to push it out. Like that. And now you can push down on the tab and pull out the connector, and tail light assembly comes out. So with the tail light assembly out, you can go ahead and replace the bulbs if you need to do that if they're blown. It's pretty simple. Just grab it, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it out. So now you just grab the bulb, pull it straight out, get your replacement, snap it straight in, put it into the housing, and twist clockwise to lock it into place. And both bulbs, it's the same method. So now I'm going to get the tail light assembly back into the car. So get your tail light assembly, snap the connector in, get the pin, and snap it in to lock it into place, like that. Now we're just going to line everything up and push it in. So from the inside, we can see we're good on our connector. Now we just need to add the 3 plastic fasteners. So do the 2 on the outside. Then push the trim back over the tail light. And put the 3rd fastener on the outside. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.